Nathan here with Everything Residential out in Gilbert at a returning customer's house where we built this nice redwood pergola. As you can see, it's been up now for about 5 to 6 months. Weather treated nice. Now we're just gonna add a roof on it. So stay tuned, roll the intro, and let's see what we got going today.
One thing we're going to talk about real quick though is take a look at this pergola. We haven't done nothing to it. This is just the natural oils of the redwood coming out. Here it is, people. A beautiful redwood pergola. This right here is quality. Take a look at it. Notched them all out. Here's our beams. Now, look at this. Beautiful. Aged well. And like Nate said, it's been 5 to 6 months and it's really beautiful. Come underneath here. So the homeowner wants to throw some corrugated clear roofing up because he doesn't want his furniture and grill getting messed up from the rain. So we're gonna use this product over here. It's a Home Depot product. We use a lot of the Home Depot product over here. 12-foot clear corrugated, however you want to call it. We got the hexagon stuff. That's what we'll be throwing up. Key details real quick. We used to use the wood, like the pine board, and it would crack and mess up. We're gonna start using this. It's our first time using it. It's, as you can see, it matches the profile of the roof, and I'm excited to use it. So we'll see you up on top. So most important is getting the music going, because Nate will lose his mind if he can't listen to Joe Rogan. It's got to be some uptown funk. Anyways, what we do is we get our roof lined up like this right here, and most importantly, we get all of our, what do you call this? The base, the corrugation support. I don't know what you call this thing. The base is all lined up equally, however you want to line it up. And we will dry fit the panels to begin with. That way it's all lined up correctly. So here's the first one up. All the watermarks are from us sweating because it is a beautiful, hot monsoon day in Arizona. So here's how it's looking right here. We got all lined up. We screw it just as the plastic dimples, like just a little bit, and you guys can probably see it there, right there. So it's nice and good. So that's kind of how it's going. We're doing all the screws right up until this is free, so ours can overlap. So it's every 2. All right, Nate, grab that next sheet and let's show them how it's done. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and overlap it.
Back towards me.
Towards you.
There.
So let's see what our overlap is.
Should just pop right there. Perfect.
That works right there. 1 overlap is good enough. There's not living quarters underneath. You don't need to put sealant. So you can see. Let's do it 1 more. Let's do 1 more.
Over?
Yeah, 1 more over.
I like that.
That way it gets that big hump because there's not a big hump on it. Yeah, that feels better to me. That's definitely more secure. You don't need sealant when it overlaps that much. Make sure there's no debris underneath right here or trapped in there. It's all on top, so that was fresh right off. So that's it right there. Now we're gonna do our screws again up to the 2nd mark. We want to make sure all of them are lined up. See that right there? When you put them on correctly, like and squeeze down, it's gonna line up right. It's all about making sure this matches the other one. So we're gonna keep screwing here. See you in a second. Here we go. So we got the 3 panels up so far. As you can see, it looks really clean and nice. Overlap, it all works out nice. So there it is. It's butted up against the house. Now we built this pergola level, so the homeowner knows the rain might go either direction, but he wants it on there to protect the furniture. So it's looking good. It's looking good. Here it is. Final product. Avoid the glare. Sorry about the glare. But it is secured. We doubled it up on the end here, and you can see it's nice and secured with all the rows. And another happy customer, a returning customer from Everything Residential. So it's Friday. We're gonna go have a cold one, and you guys make sure you subscribe, comment, and do all the bells and whistles down below. See you later.